Day 10 of the Christmas countdown. I'm still sick. Got the supplies here. Let's try to build a card. So automatically, whoa. Are we just folding it? We're gonna fold one. Hold up. I have two pieces. One from my tree, one from my card. Make the card red. Yep. Fold it. Wow. Bang. One fold. Okay. We just fold it again. Okay, we're folding it again. Yep. Easy. Yep. Bang. Okay. It's also dark. Well, is that better? You just cut out one whole square? Okay. 1 sec. Apparently we're gonna... Is it actually cutting it out? We're really gonna cut out a whole square. Okay, I guess so. We're gonna cut this one. Oh, that cut couldn't have been worse. Okay, apparently that cut couldn't have been worse either. Okay. Smack. Smack. Okay. Ooh, okay. So we're gonna be cutting... I'm gonna be cutting around this little... Whoa. Around this first one. Don't mind my Home Depot situation here. Oh, I need to make this way bigger, huh? Okay, hold up. So like this one right there, yep. Okay. This one right there, yep, okay. This one right here, yep. And this one right here. Okay. How did she cut it? How do you get in there? She's a magician. She doesn't even cut. She just gets in there. Okay, hold up. You have to like, I guess, pry it. There's no way hers looks that good. Okay. I guess it did its part. Now we can go like that. Okay. Okay. Yep. Uh-huh. Okay. All right. Do I have to do that? I don't know if I have to do that. We'll come back to it, I guess. Okay. Six by six. Oh, we're gonna fold some people. We can do this one. Okay, so 6 by 6 was like 2 inches. I guess we'll do like an inch because I have no idea what the measurement is. Inch by an inch, so like up. Let's do like an inch and a half, I guess. Like pop. Okay. They just fold it. Square. Fold it. Okay. Fold it again. Okay. Okay, fold the corner in like that. You can do that. Okay, there's really speed running. Oh, that's the top of my tree. So I really should have made this bigger. So I guess we can do a 2-inch one to make the top. And then we can go 1/2 inch. So go 2 real quick. Two down. Left. Up. Okay. We're gonna do the same thing. So we folded it. We folded it. And we're gonna fold this inwards. I guess this one doesn't want to fold inwards. Inwards again. Okay. And then how does this work? Does it go inside of it? It doesn't look like that'd work. Guess we will see. Okay, so that's 2 pieces done. Oh, they should be majors. Okay, so let's do one more. Let's do like 1 and like 1 and like 1 and 3/4. So let's do 1 and 3/4 real quick. Like here. And then we'll go like here. And same thing, we're gonna fold the long way, even though it's a square. Fold again. Fold it inwards. Inwards. Bang. Okay. And then we could just take a 1. Snap it right there. And take it like right there. Just a little baby one. Okay. Don't think we need the green anymore. Fold it in half. That was a horrible fold. Fold it in half. Fold it in half. Fold it on the inside. Fold it on the inside. Wow, that is a little baby one. Hers did not get that small, but we'll find out here shortly. Okay. Now what? Oh, you glue it the opposite way. Wow, that makes so much sense. See, I don't have glue, but I do have tape. But we will do this a little differently. But it shouldn't be a problem, right? Get some tape out like that. Okay. Do a little skinny baby piece just like that. If we fold it over just like that, make it 2-sided basically. We tape the top like this. Oh, we put the top. Oh, just like that. Not the greatest, not the proudest moment I have, but it'll have to do because we do not have glue. Also, what household doesn't have glue? Can anyone answer that? Does your household have glue? Maybe because I'm not a kid anymore? I don't know. Clearly I am. Look at my videos. I'm doing second grade projects from a YouTube video. Like, I can't even do this my own. Also, if you guys ever do what I'm doing, send me a picture. Yeah, that one didn't really stick, but it's okay. Finally, last piece. Oh, well. Now he's gonna make me glue it. They're gonna make me glue it onto it, I assume. Also, we didn't make a tree bark. Okay. You just want me to grab brown paper? All right, well, let me go speed run. Let me go find some brown paper. Speed run. All right, closest thing I had to brown was yellow. Honestly, gonna make a big little branch for it to all sit on. Okay. And we get some tape again. Okay. Just like that. We're gonna roll it this way. Okay. I guess we're gonna need it all the way down. It's okay. This could be the back, I guess. Put that in the middle. Just like that. Okay. Okay, you guys did not see that. You gotta take a piece. Yep, just like that. And we fold it just like this. This thing is sticky down here. Okay, well, this tree turned out messed up. Boom. How's it looking? Wow, it actually looks like a second grader did it. I see why they wanted me to do the border too. Oh, and a star? There's no way I can make a star. Hold up. It's out nicely. What are odds of me cutting this nicely? Oh, you guys can't even see it. Just know it looks horrible. Three. Oh, I actually put the wrong way on too. Bang, that's my star. White dots, hold up. I have red. Which is where? So she opens it, and right here, okay, I'll write something nice. What should I write? We're gonna put Merry Christmas on the front? I can't do that. There's no way. All right, so let's write our wishes. We're gonna put Merry Christmas. The second grader did this, not me. Just so she knows that it was a second grader and definitely not me. So, yeah.